Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patience, so I thought I'll go a little bit African with spinach soup, or as some call it, Efo Riro. Thank you so much for joining. If this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, as well as hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any uploads or video. And please check the description box below for information and details on the ingredients used for this recipe. And guys, I'm particular about my stockfish. But if you don't like stockfish, you can use any fish that you want, but please ensure to take the bones out before you do. Before we get started, just gonna blend my peppers. Once it's nice and smooth, set it aside for later. I'm using a mixture of vegetable oil and palm oil because palm oil adds to the flavor as well as the aroma. So I heat these two oils together for about 2 minutes, then add my onion. Stir fry for a bit, then add in my blended peppers. Seasoning locust beans as well as my stockfish. Oh guys, before I added my stockfish, I soaked it in hot water for about 15 minutes just to soften it beforehand. Once I've added all this ingredient, I'm going to mix them all together with the pepper sauce and then cover it to cook for about 5 minutes. Now stir it so it doesn't burn, then add in my fried beef as well as my fried turkey. Now mix these two ingredients together with the sauce and then cover to cook for 2 minutes so it marinates with the rest of the ingredients. Once that is done, add in my spinach. I'm not going to stir it so I don't make a big mess for myself, but I'd rather cover for 2 minutes and let it steam. Then give it a nice stir because it's softened, after which I'll cover to cook 5 minutes. And my Efo Riro is ready. Or Efo Riro. Spinach soup is simpler, honestly. You can enjoy this delicious soup with any swallow of your choice, like amala, wheat, eba, or lovely pounded yam like I am. Nice. Thank you so much for watching guys. Enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.